Working with Eric and his team, they're always helpful. No matter what our question is or how many questions we have, they always give us the answers, and they don't treat us like we're causing them an inconvenience and that we're just a project, and leave us alone and give us your money.
We met Eric probably in the very late 90s, and we put carpeting in the second floor office. And then over the decade plus years, his staff has come back, they've cleaned it, restretched it, and maintained it. And then when it came time to upgrade it, they were right on time. The price has always been very good, and honestly, the people that show up are people you're happy to let in your house and do the work.
If you want someone who has a showroom that has a lot of things in it, and who will take their time and explain to you why this would be good for animals, this would be good if you're, have humidity, this would be good for kids, and they take extra time with you, then this is the place to come.
We originally chose A+ because a good friend recommended them, and actually he was referred by someone he knew. So once you have a good experience, why not continue? Come back to someone you can trust and know that you're going to be treated well. In fact, we even recommended our son when he recently had a whole house remodel.